In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task to a note in Evernote. This is a really handy feature if you use Evernote, not just for storing information, but also for keeping track of what you actually need to do. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to turn any note into a simple to-do list, without leaving the note you're already working in. First, go ahead and open Evernote in your browser or desktop app, and make sure you're signed in. Then, open the note where you want to add a task. This could be an existing note, like a meeting summary, a project plan, or even a simple idea dump. Or you can create a new blank note and use it just for tasks. The key thing is that you're inside the notes editing area and ready to type. Once your note is open, click into the body of the note where you want your task to appear. Place your cursor on a new line, or right after any text where it makes sense to add an action item. Now, start typing a / followed by the word task with no spaces, so it looks like /task. As you type /task, Evernote will show a small menu of options connected to that / command. This is Evernote's shortcut system for quickly inserting different types of content. Among those options, you'll see one labeled task. This is the one you want. When you see task appear in that little menu, move your mouse over and click on it. As soon as you click, Evernote will insert a task item directly into your note. You'll see a task line with a checkbox on the left and space for you to type the description of what needs to be done. Now just type your task description, like email the client, review project outline, or whatever action you need to remember. You can repeat this process as many times as you want within the same note, adding multiple tasks underneath a heading or between paragraphs of notes. From here on, whenever you come back to this note, you'll see those tasks listed right where you added them. As you complete each task, you can simply click the checkbox to mark it as done, which is a great way to keep